Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Google reviews to system.io. First, go and log into your account. Once inside, you need to access your funnels. So on the top ribbon, go to Sites, then either go to Sales or Digital. Now for here, click on one of your funnel. After that, on the right side, click on Edit Page. Now, this is where we will add our Google reviews. You can go and add another section if you'd like to. Now, to add a Google review, we need a third-party website. So you need to go to Elf site and create or log into your account. Once inside, on the top ribbon, go to Widgets. Then under Reviews, select Google Reviews. Now, click on Create Widget for free. Then in here, you can choose from this different template. Just choose one based on your liking. After that, go and continue with it. Now, add it to your website for free. Now that you have it, you can go and close it. Then, click on this Install button. So now you'll have an access to the embed code. So just go ahead and click on this copy code. Once done, go to your system.io. In here, for the elements, scroll down until you see this raw HTML. Then just go and add it to your section. Now you need to click on it. Then on the left panel, go to Edit Code. Now delete this one and replace it with the one from Elf site. Then hit on Save. Go ahead and click on Save again on the top right. After that, you can now go and preview it. Then, if you go to the section where you added it, you will see now your Google reviews. And that's just basically it. That's how you add Google reviews on system.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.